Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Free for Low Income channel. Today, I'm spilling the tea on how to get free stuff on TEMU. Yes, you heard that right, free. If you're into scoring awesome deals without spending a dime, stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you step by step. First off, if you're new to TEMU, it's an online marketplace that offers everything from clothes and gadgets to home decor, and more at super low prices. But did you know they also have promotions where you can snag items for free? Here's how it works. Sign up and refer friends. Step 1. Download the TEMU app and sign up if you haven't already. The first way to get free stuff is by referring your friends. For every friend you invite who signs up and makes their first purchase, TEMU rewards you with credits or free items. Share your referral code on social media to reach more people. Spin the wheel in special games. Next, keep an eye out for TEMU's in-app games like Spin the Wheel or Daily Rewards. These games often give you free coupons, credits, or even free items. The key here is consistency. Play these games daily to maximize your chances. Another way to score freebies is through TEMU's free trials or flash sale sections. These are time-limited, so you'll need to act fast. Just check the app regularly to see what's available. And don't forget about promo codes. TEMU often shares discount codes that give you free shipping, credits, or even full-price discounts. Check out forums, social media groups, or the app itself to find the latest codes. Community tips. Finally, I always recommend joining TEMU communities online. Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or Discord chats. These communities are goldmines for tips and tricks from other users who've scored big. And there you have it, folks. Simple ways to get free stuff on TEMU. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Free for Low Income channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!